Turkey has once again captured global attention by showcasing its latest generation of combat drones, the Bayraktar Kizilelma. This unmanned combat drone is touted as one of the most advanced in the world, combining jet technology, stealth, artificial intelligence, and the ability to carry a variety of modern weaponry in a single aerial platform. This drone is designed as an unmanned combat aerial vehicle capable of carrying out a variety of complex military missions. One of the Kizilelma's most compelling features is its low radar visibility design, or stealth capabilities. The aircraft's fuselage is designed to be difficult to detect by enemy radar, thus increasing the chances of mission success in areas with strong air defenses. Furthermore, this drone is equipped with an artificial intelligence (AI) system that allows the aircraft to automatically analyze situations while in the air. This technology assists the drone in making quick tactical decisions, such as avoiding threats or determining priority targets. One of the Bayraktar Kızılelma's main advantages is its advanced and flexible weapons capacity. This drone is designed to carry various types of missiles and smart bombs, which can be stored either in internal compartments or on external hangars. One of the Bayraktar Kızılelma's key features is its stealth design. Its aerodynamic fuselage and the use of special materials make it more difficult for enemy air defense systems to detect it. Another unique feature of the Bayraktar Kızılelma is its ability to take off and land from smaller aircraft carriers. This drone is designed to operate from the Turkish Navy's amphibious assault ship, the TC. This capability provides a strategic advantage for the Turkish military, allowing combat drone operations from the sea without the need for large airstrips. This drone was developed by Turkish defense technology company Bayraktar Technologies, also known for its renowned Bayraktar TB2 combat drone. The TB2's success in various conflicts has given Turkey confidence in developing a next-generation, more advanced and highly capable combat drone. The Bayraktar Kızılelma's arrival marks a significant leap forward in Turkish military technology. Unlike conventional drones that use propellers, the Kizilelma uses jet engines, allowing it to fly much faster and offer greater maneuverability. The development of the Bayraktar Kızılelma is part of Turkey's broader strategy to achieve self-sufficiency in the defense industry. In recent years, the country has aggressively developed various domestic military technologies, from drones and armored vehicles to air defense systems. This step was taken to reduce dependence on weapons imports from other countries. By developing its own technology, Turkey not only enhances its military capabilities but also strengthens its position as a global defense technology exporter. Turkish-made drones are currently used by various countries around the world, particularly in the Middle East, Eastern Europe, and Africa. This export success has made the Turkish drone industry one of the fastest growing in the last decade. Military analysts believe that the presence of drones like the Bayraktar Kızılelma could change the way aerial warfare is conducted in the future. Jet-speed combat drones with full combat capabilities allow countries to conduct high-risk military operations without risking the lives of pilots. Furthermore, drones typically have significantly lower operational costs than conventional fighter jets. This makes drone technology an attractive solution for many countries seeking to enhance their military capabilities more cost-effectively. In the concept of modern warfare, drones like the Kizilelma are also expected to work alongside manned fighter aircraft in a system known as loyal wingman, where the drone acts as a companion to the primary aircraft in combat. The Bayraktar is not only a military technology project but also a symbol of Turkey's ambition to become a global technological power. With its capabilities, this drone demonstrates that Turkey is now able to compete with major powers in the development of cutting-edge defense technology. If the development program proceeds as planned, the Kizilelma has the potential to become one of the most revolutionary combat drones in the world, strengthening Turkey's position as a leader in the military drone industry. The emergence of this drone marks a new chapter in the development of modern warfare technology, where artificial intelligence, unmanned systems, and high-precision weaponry are becoming key elements in determining a nation's military strength.